Hey everyone, the Beard Baron here with today's beard routine. We'll be applying Wildwood Premium Beard Oil from sample set 1, which also includes Fireside and Imperial, but for today, Wildwood is the choice as it's the classic woodsy scent, hence the name Wildwood. This has got a sampling of cedarwood, pine, eucalyptus, and fir. The eucalyptus just sets this thing right, and I've gone through so many iterations of this when I first created this back in 2014. 7 years ago, Wildwood was the first scented product on the beardbaron.com. I'm going to pop the top. There's no reducer in here, so it just kind of pours out into the hand. It is glorious. The good thing about the testers is they're 3.5 milliliters each, so you get an actual good use out of them, be able to test them out, never mind just smell them. And this is just the woods. This is just fresh. You can get the pine, that fir, and that eucalyptus. Almost want to call it eucalyptus just to be funny, but still very woodsy. And I had gone through so many different scent combinations to create this 7 years ago. And this is that culmination of pure woods. And I know this is a pretty standard idea to have available in the beard market across the board as a woodsy scent. And so many of you guys have said over the years that this is the #1 woodsy scent out there. So there's nowhere, you don't even need to look elsewhere than the Beard Baron. Wildwood's got you covered if you're into woodsy scents. I highly recommend this one. And if you never tried one, I would just hear guys say, hey, if you want to try something woodsy, this is it. It's always my large, trusty beard comb. I'm kind of going between the large beard comb and the large rake comb. Recently, that's the one with the handle. But I seemingly always have large beard combs just like hanging around the house everywhere, so it's just really easy for me to pick up and do this. Oh. It's a woodsy scent that's not overpowering either. It's just like at the right amount of fresh. You gotta keep it fresh. I just comb this down. You guys have probably seen me do this quite a few times. I've done quite a few beard routines already this year. I love getting on here. This is so good. Simple as that. It's the Wildwood from the sample 1 pack. It's a glass vial, which is great about this too, is you can travel with it. This is a little bit easier to travel with than a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil, which I still do travel with anyways. I fly across the world with glass in my dopp kits of all sorts of different product. But this is great to have. You can put these in your bag real easily and keep in your car. It's really portable. So if you're looking for a way to even just sample out some of our scents here at the Beard Baron, this is a great way to do it. Or if you're just looking for an easier way to carry around your beard oil, it's a great choice as well. It makes a great gift too. If you got someone in your life who's growing a beard or wants to grow a beard, it's a great thing to send them. Just put it out in the mail. I've been trying to do better at that. 2021, I'm trying to get better about sending stuff out in the mail to people, just to say, hey, hello, what's up? I know I don't get to see people as much as I'd like to, but it's great to send someone just brighten their day. So I highly recommend sample set 1, Wildwood from the beardbaron.com, exclusively on there, guys. As always, you know where to find me. Links are down below. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think of Wildwood, or if you tried the sample sets, or what would you like to see in the future? Let me know. Add it to the list. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Until then, take care.